Explorers started the site today. And today we are going to explore a new tool, which is a very new tool for me also. Like I just started using it yesterday only, and last night only I built my first flow. So the tool we are talking about is in front of you, the Langflow. I guess the one of the most simple tool where you can start your uh, no-code journey to build AI agents and workflows. And it's really quite simple to build. Like I came from a design background, and it just takes me some minutes to like yes, it takes me some time to set up like the models and the Google console or API. But if I talk about specifically the platform, it was so fine-tuned and amazing. And the community also helped me very much. So I'll be sharing about the community in the last, and just let's start exploring the question today. So this is a problem statement which I worked on. I have to create my first workflow in Langflow, so that's the first task, and I have to automate my regular task, which I like. I usually get so many video links, and I analyze them, and there's sentiments of people around that video, so which is basically used later for two to three different purposes. So first, my normal way. My old way was I first used to receive and search the video, and so basically, sometimes I got directly a link, otherwise I got a topic. I have to search around that. So videos are always related to education, geopolitics, and sometimes the scientific topic also. Hmm. At first, I used to scan the content by seeing the 60 seconds of the part, or, title, description, and this. Then analyzing top 10 to 15 top comments, generating summary. So then I put all of that content, copy that, and put in ChatGPT to generate a summary. And uh, first, I usually put this into different sets of prompts. So I made like three to four prompt set, and which I just use it to put and bring the content out for me. Hmm. And then just save and share it. So this was the old way. And then I found Langflow to automate this thing. So this was my new way. I just built my first one-time workflow, which I was just showing you, and just pasting the YouTube link, connecting the specific prompt I need, because sometimes I need a single prompt template, so I keep it connected only. If I need a new one, I'll just connect the other one. My content is saved in a file. So all of my this process, all of this process is just combined into these two three steps. Hmm. So now let's just go to the flow. Um, you can set up Langflow in any way. I set it through Python. I made a virtual environment, and then I just run the Langflow. You get if you're running it locally, you'll get a local host, and then you can just start it. So this is Langflow. I made a specific folder for this, and here you can generate new flow. But I'll be opening my old flow only. This is the YouTube project. Yes. So basically, first I'm taking the chat input. So in the chat input, basically I will pasting a YouTube link. So let's do it. Let's take a random link and see what we get. Um, let's take this video. So I'll be pasting it in. First I'm telling the flow, then I'll be telling how you get to use it. So after putting this in a specific input, the chat will be opening, and I'll be just putting the URL. After that, uh, I think you can, if like you don't want to use it, you can just directly put to your URL into this also. You can update. But I was planning to add a front end in it, so that's why I add a chat input option. You can get your YouTube API key from Google Console. I can make a separate content on that if you need it. You just drop a comments. Okay, or connect me out on LinkedIn. So it's very simple. Yes. So I have this right now set 20. So 20 is basically the number of comments it will be analyzing. So you get a lot of YouTube options you can explore. It will sort channels, comments, and everything. So I took a comments component, and it will be sorting it by relevance. Because that was the thing. Because I need most liked comments because that contain the most content. That's why. And this is a prompt template. You can add a prompt separately also in the LLM model, but because I have to shift many times, so I can just change the node and it will become an easy work. So I don't have to copy paste again and again. So I can just put two three templates here and just connect according to my need. So I have added. I just add a. If you'll see, I add a variable in this text variable. So basically, all of the content it will be analyzing from it will paste it into this text one. So this is how I prompt to study. And now all of the output which you'll be getting from this video specifically will be sent into as an input in the language model. So basically, as a language model, you can choose multiple models. I'm using Google Gemini right now because it's free for this project, and it's basically just do the work. So yes, and using Gemini 1.5 Flash model. So this all works. You can use this OpenAI. Any I guess 3.5 also will also work totally great. You can set up a local model also. I'll be bringing it. I'm trying to set up Olama Mistral for a local model. So that can be also a separate topic. So the same you can get the Google API key from Google Console. So in the system message, you basically can add your prompt. But sometimes I need multiple kind of categories. So I made two, three categories for me of prompts. So I just make the prompt specifically here only. So otherwise, it's your choice. You can just put up if you have only one time prompt, you can uh, just disconnect this and you can type a prompt. So for right now, I'll be connecting this here only, and this is just how I'll get my chat output. So what it has done is, it took the content, it took the comments content from the YouTube, combined that, and then put it out in chat output. And according to it, just put all of that content summary into this LLM model into a template, which I gave him a prompt template, and then just gave a chat output to him. And just I did this to save like let's suppose I'm outside, I can just put this into a link. And because sometimes I don't take my laptop outside and it is always on home, so I can just send the link at my home and send it, say anyone to just put the link, and automatically it will be saving the file, so I can just come back home and directly send the file to my team. So let's test this out. Let's name it Langflow test for this. So let's run this. Oh yes, I have to paste the video. The video we choose is this one. This is an old session. Let me create a new session. That would be, I guess, a better thing. So basically, it brought all of the 20 comments with the video ID. Hmm. So this is a text variable which we saw that there. So this is how we got the summary, and it basically analyzed all the comments which were in the text variable and combined it. So it will be saving it into this. So we'll just copy the path. So right now we are saving this locally, but we can save it externally also something, or send it to a Telegram also to a Telegram bot. So this is how we just open the file. Right now it is saving in virtual environment folder which I made on my desktop. This is exactly the same content which we were getting in that output. And this is how uh, I built my first flow. So now just let's explore the community, the part which I was saying in the start. So we'll just directly go to Discord. The link I'll be pasting in the description. You can check that out. So this is a Langflow community, and I pasted a doubt recently, and many other people also regularly paste their doubts. So I got a doubt around setting up a local model, so I put that in the post, and this person answered me very well and provided me a video also for that. So this is how my doubt just got solved. And you get basically answer into fix some hours only. So it doesn't take like many days. So that's also a very good thing for this. And yes, you can discuss about projects and many other things also with the community, and they provide like many challenges also. So this was all. I hope you would love the video. And if there are any doubts, if there are any things which can be improved in future, do let me know. This is my first YouTube video, and I hope you guys have loved it. Thank you.